Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MSPC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where that green line down there is coming from. And overall, the chart is still perfectly fine. Granted, there was a pullback today, so that's what makes things a little tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint. How so? Well, if you're some sort of day trader flipper and you bought up here at 0006 and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, for you the chart's looking a bit shaky given that the price has pulled back. However, my comments are being geared towards those that care about the grand scheme of things. And from that point of view, the price is still perfectly fine. I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of show how much leeway and cushion the bulls still have, the price could still come all the way down here to 0003. Behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards. And what would you have from the big picture point of view? Emphasis on big picture. Well, you'd still have lows right here. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you picture those as some bootleg stair steps, then what do you have from the big picture? You still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. As long as progress is being made, as long as the price is drifting upwards, or in other words, trending upwards, that's what truly strong moves do. Again, I'm well aware and I get it. If you're a day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these overall stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture perspective. So sure, partially, a portion of today, the price pulled back. But think about that. A portion of today, as in like a half of day. When you look at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as those higher bases are being built, that implies the overall trend is still in the bull's favor. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, still all about 0006 up there. Price, bumped its head up there several times today. Couldn't quite get through, so that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, the price continues to chip away with the higher bases, and that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.